Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2014 Mitsubishi Outlander ES, stock reference number 4043. The shape runs from the 10th month 2012 through to the 3rd month 2015. It has a 4J12 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. 4J12 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. It's fitted with factory 18-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door has 2 small dents. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left tail light. Tailgate has right hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has a large dent in the centre. Right front door has 1 small dent. Right power door mirror. And a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather centre console lid, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, single zone heated controls, touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.